Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to block or unblock pop-ups in Safari in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down in last and now click on apps. After clicking on apps, scroll down and now click on Safari. And after clicking on Safari, scroll down and now here you see the option block pop-ups. If you want to block pop-ups, then simply turn this button on. After turning this button on, your pop-ups will be blocked. And if you want to unblock your pop-ups, then simply turn this button off. After turning this button off, your pop-ups will be blocked. So this is the way to block or unblock pop-ups in Safari in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.